morning children. Welcome to today's section. Today's section is for 3rd standard students. Yes children, as you people know, in the previous video we have completed the topic, that is the picture composition about the railway station. How do people travel? What kind of people do we find? And who comes to receive the parents? These all things we studied in that video, and then we have written some of the sentences related to the given clue words also. Yes children, today I am here with a new topic in the grammar part, that is framing sentences. Framing sentences, and you all can open page number 57 in your textbook. 57. So children, here framing questions means what? When you want to ask about somebody, or when you want to know about somebody, where is the place, or some other thing, which is that thing, when it will happen, when they have come, who is that person, or about your age, then what we do? We use the question words. With the help of these question words only, we raise up a questions. Yes children, we raise up a question. Miss, how is that possible? What you are saying? Yes, your question is right. How is that possible? Means, now for example children, I want to know your name. I don't know your name. When you come newly to the class, I don't know what is your name. Then what I ask you, what is your name? To know your name, what is your name? What will be the first question children? What? What is your name? Now, I'll ask, I want to know your age now. I want to know your age. Then I will ask you, how old are you? Yes, I will ask you, how old are you? So how? H-W-O. How? H-W-O. How? How andre ಏನು? ಎಷ್ಟು? How? How old are you? So here, next. You are going somewhere outside with your parents. Yes? Or somebody has come in front of you when you are moving outside with your parents. Then that person will ask you, where are you going? Ellu hogta idira? Where are you going? To know where you are going, that person wants to know where you are going. Then he will ask you the question, where are you going? That time we use the question to know where you are moving, where you want to go. Then we use the question word where. What we use children? Where. Where are you going? Now, two friends are fighting. Yes, two friends are fighting among them. Then you don't know the reason for what the fight has begun. For what they are fighting, you don't know the reason. You want to know the reason for what they are fighting. Then what question you will ask? Why are you fighting? Yeah, okay. Why are you fighting? You ask the question for them by using the word, why are you fighting? What is your question word children? Why. You use the question word there, why. Why are you fighting? You use the question word why to ask them. Yes, you ask them, why are you fighting? Then next, when you go somewhere to the new place, then you meet some new person with your friends. You go to your friend's house. Then there are many people in the house. You ask your friend, you ask. You want to know about them. Yes, you want to know about them. Then you ask the question. Then what word you use? Who is that man? Who is your papa? So many men are standing here. You ask them, in this, who is your papa? Who is your dad? Who is your sister? Who is your mother? You ask like this way. To know who is the person, we use the question word here. Who? What question word we use, children? We use the question word who. We use the question word who. Then Mama has prepared 2 to 3 types of sweets. Yes, children, many sweets are there present. You are getting confused what to eat, what not to eat. Or you go to some function, some marriage function or some house opening ceremony, or you go to some party, birthday party, wherever you want you go. Then when you go there, you want to know. There are many types of sweets. By seeing those sweets, you feel, all the sweets are very beautiful. You want to eat them. So you think, which sweet I should eat first? Which one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Many sweets are there. In that, which one I have to select? Yavadana nanu tinbeku. Yavadu. Which sweet I have to use first? Or when you are going to the trip for picnic or for tour, you take too many dresses. Now think you are going to visit the Delhi. You have gone to Delhi. Now you want to go for Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal is a beautiful place where you can take many photos. So you think, today which dress I have to wear? Which dress? Yavadu dress anna nanu haakobeku, so that I can take nice pics, photos. Which is used to know, to identify the things, what to be worn, what to be eaten, which is good. So which ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತದೆ ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, which. Then when. So many days, very good example for you. So many days there were no schools, children. You were sitting at home. Then whenever your parents used to call us to ask some things, then Miss school ಯಾವಾಗ ಚಾಲು ಆಗ್ತದೆ, Miss school ಯಾವಾಗ ಚಾಲು ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಹುಡುಗರು ಮಾತು ಕೇಳೋದು, Miss school ಯಾವಾಗ ಚಾಲು ಆಗ್ತದೆ, they ask. Yes, when. ಯಾವಾಗ ಅಂದರೆ when. We call in English as what? When. When will the school reopen? When. ಯಾವಾಗ school start ಆಗ್ತದೆ. When will the school reopen? To know the date, to know the time, to know the day, we use what there? When. What we use? We use when. The next, whose. You sit in a group when some activity is going on in the school. You take your water bottles, you take your sweaters, you take your napkins in your hand, and you leave it there only and you go. Sometimes in lunch break also you forget your tiffin box and come to classroom. Yes or no? Then Ayamma will take that bag and she will come. Then what Ayamma will ask? Yaaridu the bag? Yaardu tiffin bag idu? Ayamma will come and ask. Yaardu, that is whose. Whose tiffin bag is this? Yes. To know the thing belongs to whom, we use the what? Whose. To know to whom the thing belongs, then we use their what? Whose. We use a question word whose. So here, what, where, who, whose, which, when, why and how. These are called as question words. What we call? These are called as question words. These are called as what, children? Question words. Yes. What are question words here? See. What, how, where, why, who, which, when, whose. These are called as question words. These all are called as what? Question words. We call these words as question words. Why we call these words as question words? Because they help us to know where the person is, when the thing is going to happen, or whom do the thing belong, how the thing is going to be possible to do. Yes, to know all these things, we use these question words, children. We use this question words. Now here, example. With the help of what I can say. First one, to know what is going on in the place. So I ask you, what are you doing? What are you doing? What is your name is very common. When you want to know about the person name, about the person birth, then we use the question word there. What? What? What are you doing? Second one here, who? How? How I use there. How old are you? We use the question word here. How old are you? Then, to know where you live or where you are moving somewhere, then we ask. To know about that, where you are moving, then we ask, where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? Next is what there? Why? Why? Then I can ask, unnecessarily you talk, unnecessarily you laugh. Then we ask you, why are you laughing? Why are you talking? Why you have not done your homework? Yes, these all words we use why to know what the problem is. Yes, why can't he do it? Or you can use why can't. Yes. The next is what then? Who. To know about the unknown person, we use who. Who is that man? Who is that man? The next comes what here? Which. Which is your favorite color? Which is your favorite color? So, now next comes what there? When. When. When will it rain? ಯಾವಾಗ ಮಳೆ ಆಗ್ತದೇನೋಪ್ಪ ಮಳೆನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. We don't know when it is going to happen. Yes or no? So, next comes what here after when? Whose. Whose books are these? Very simple sentence. Whose books are these? Remember children, after writing the question, compulsory you have to use a question mark. Question ಬರೆದಾಗ ಯಾವತ್ತು ಮೊದಲು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟಿಂಗ್ ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ದಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ a question mark. Without writing the question mark, the question doesn't sense. You have to put a question mark at last. Yes? So first we used what here? What. What are you doing? How. How old are you? Where. Where are you going? Why. Why can't you do it? Who. Who is that man? Which. Which is your favorite color? When. When will it rain? Whose. Whose books are these? Whose books are these? So, like this way, we use the question word to ask about the person, to know about the person, or to get introduction about the person also. Yes. So these are called as question words. What, how, where, why, when, which, and who, whose are called as the question words. We call these words as a question words. With the help of these words only, we build a question. We form a question to know about some things, about some person, about some places, about rest of. We need the question words to raise up a question. So now children, here frame questions from the following answers using the question word given in the bracket. Yes. Here what they have given? They have given some of the sentences. Answers are given. And after the sentence complete, they have given in the bracket, they have mentioned a question word. They have given one question word. With the help of that word only, we have to form a question for the given answer. Yes, children. So first one, question word always ends with a question mark. Yes, the last sentence here. Here I will write. Question word always. A question always ends. Question always ends with a question mark. That is this. This is called as a question mark. Whenever whatever question you write, you have to use the question. But when you use name, describe, then there is no question mark. Describe about the Pied Piper, no question mark. Name the 5 sense organs, no question mark. Yes, you shouldn't use the question mark to describe and name. Remember, name bandaga, describe bandaga, yavattu neevu define. Don't use the question mark. Yes. So next. Now this was the explanation about the question words I have written. So children, now this much you have to write in your textbook. Now next I will solve the exercise. Yes children. Now first one in this, we will start solving the exercise. Yes, the first main in this, find question for the following answers using the question word, using the question word given in the brackets. In the brackets. Brackets. Yes. This is the heading. Now first answer they are given. Her brother's name is Pratap. Her brothers they are given. Yes or no? Brothers. So we have to write here apostrophe. Yes. Brother's name is Pratap. In bracket, the word is given, children. What? What they have given the name here in bracket? They have used the word what. Yes, what. This is the word used in the bracket. Now we have to write the answer here. First we'll write down the questions, children. Second one. Vidya lives in Chennai. Vidya lives in Chennai. And the answer is what here? Where? Third. Mr. Sharma will come in the evening. Mr. will come in the evening. In bracket, the question word is given when. When? What is the question word given here, children? When. Yes. Now, first we will solve this sentence, children, and then we will go with the next exercise. Yes. Now, what is the answer given here? Her brother's name is Pratap. And the word they have given here is what, children? What? We want to know the name about this girl's brother. So, the question word is used here is what? What. So, I will take that word and I will say, what is her brother's? What is her brother's name? Question. Got it, children? Yes. Her brother's name is Pratap. Question word what they have given? What. So I took that what in the beginning of the sentence. What is her brother's name? With the help of the answer, we have formed a question by using the question word what. By using the question word what. Next, where? Vidya lives in Chennai. What is the question word here? Where. What is the question word, children? Where. So, we have to take where first. Where does. What we have to use? Does. Where does Vidya, name of the person, first letter capital. Where does Vidya live? Question. Here some of the verbs will change, children. We can use is, does. When in comes, we use the does. So here, Mr. Sharma will come in the evening. Will come in the evening. Who will come, children? Mr. Sharma. And the answer is given what here? When. Question word is given what? When. When will. Who? About whom we are talking? Mr. Sharma. When will Mr. Sharma come? Come. Yes? Question word is given When. I have used when here. When will Mr. Sharma come? When will Mr. Sharma will come in the evening? When will Mr. Sharma come? Yes. Now next sentence here. The courier rang the doorbell. Yes. The fourth one. The rang the doorbell. In bracket, the question word is given what, children? Who. What is given? Who. The question word is given in bracket. Who. So, the answer. Fifth one. Yes. Nishant goes to school by bus. Nishant goes to school by bus. In bracket, how? Yes. How. In bracket, how. So we use the question word here to write the question, children. Yes. So now next one. Sixth one. English is Rohan's favorite subject. English is name of the person, R capital, children. Rohan's favorite subject. In the bracket, the question word is given what there in the bracket? Which. Which. Next. 7. That is my bicycle. That is my bicycle. In bracket, the question word is given here. Whose. What it is? Whose. Yes. Sorry. 8. They have come for the party. They have come for the party. So the question word is what here? Why? What is the question word, children? Why? Yes, so here. Now here. The courier rang the doorbell. Yes. In bracket, the question word is given what there? Who. So what we have to use here? Who rang the doorbell. Doorbell, and last question mark. Who rang the doorbell? Who rang the doorbell, children? The courier rang the doorbell. Nishant goes to school by bus. In bracket, the word is given how. How. So now when they are asking, Nishant goes to school by bus. Yes. How does. What we have to use here? How does Nishant goes to school? How does Nishant goes to school? Go to school, sir. Go to school. Next. English is Rohan's favorite subject. English is Rohan's favorite subject. So here the question word is given what? Which. Which is Rohan's favorite subject? Which is Rohan's favorite subject? That is my bicycle. They have given there whose. Whose bicycle is that? Question word is given what there? Whose. Whose bicycle is that? Next. They have come for the party. In the bracket, the question word is used. Why? Why have they come? What is the question word used here? Why have they come? Finished. So here, with this we completed the exercise. So see here, once again I will take children all the sentences. Listen to me. Her brother's name is Pratap. Question word is given here what? What? What is her brother's name? This is the answer. With this answer we have formed the question. What is her brother's name? Vidya lives in Chennai. Where does Vidya live? Mr. Sharma will come in the evening. When? When will Mr. Sharma come? The courier rang the doorbell. Who? Who rang the doorbell? Nishant goes to school by bus. How does Nishant go to school? English is Rohan's favorite subject. Which is Rohan's favorite subject? That is my bicycle. Whose? Whose bicycle is that? They have come for the party. Who? Why have they come? Here the question word is what here? Why? So the answer is why have they come? So with this children, we have completed today's topic forming questions. Yes children, tomorrow again I will be in front of you with the new video, with the new topic. Okay, very interesting tomorrow's topic is. But till then, you have to write this all the sentences in your notebook, in your grammar notebook, and send me the photocopy of it. Children, please complete your fair books. Maybe nearby your schools may start. Yes, may start. So please complete your fair work and send me the photocopy of it, but with neat and clean handwriting. So by this I will conclude my today's class children. Thank you. Have a great day.